Previously, we introduced the SwiftColor SCC-3000 Oversized Event Card Printer. In this short video, we will show you how to unbox the printer and its supplies, and set it up to start issuing ID badges. After opening the box, lift out the white foam packaging pieces and place them to the side. Then remove the SCC-3000 from the box by carefully lifting it with two hands, with one hand under the front and the other on the black plastic grip on the back. Next, take the black and white plastic flanges, the USB cable, and the power cord out of the box. Put the foam back in the box and set it aside. From the media box, take out one roll of media, HDD white, metallic, holographic, or sticker, and one YMCO color ribbon. The ribbon color panels are large with black stripes between them. Insert the flanges into the media roll, with the black one on the left and the white one on the right when the media is rolled over the top toward you. You are now ready to insert the media into the printer. Open the front of the SCC-3000 by pushing firmly on the black button on the top left and slowly pulling down the spring-loaded door. Carefully place the media roll inside the printer by matching the black and white end caps to the appropriate plastic slot in the printer. Feed the media into the slot inside the printer, all the way through until about 1/4 of an inch of it is protruding out of the front printer slot. Then insert the ribbon, noting that it too has black and white end caps that go into similar slots, though on opposite sides. Make sure that the ribbon is not too loose or too tight. Then close the front of the printer. On the back of the SCC-3000, insert the power cord and plug it into a local power source, and then connect the printer to your computer using the enclosed USB cable. Install the printer driver available from the SwiftColor website onto your computer. Once the driver install is complete, click to print a test page. Now you are ready to start issuing badges. To learn more about the SCC-3000 or any of our other SwiftColor printers, please visit our website or contact your local SwiftColor reseller.